feels a bit better. Let's see if it locks in. Look at that. So here we've got a DeWalt, what is it there? DCH273. Seems to work, but as you can see, it's not holding any bits. So I've had this off before. So we're going to take it apart and see if we can't get her fixed. Alright, so these are all brand new DeWalt parts. It's a bit silly sitting behind the lights. I'm blocking my own light. So we've got a new, I don't know what you call that piece. What do they call it? They call it a sliding tube. A new sliding tube. So a new sliding tube. That's the ball bearing that holds, sits into these grooves here. Holds that. The clip is what holds the sliding tube to the I guess you call it a chuck inside. And again, these are all, there's a spring that holds the ball bearing in place. You've got a felt sleeve that goes at the very bottom. And we've got a new dust cap. So, first things first. So pop off the new dust cap. This new dust cap. So, I mean, still looks fine, but I just pretty much ordered the whole assembly from the front. So let's just take out the battery, make it a little bit lighter. So if I pull it back, you can just see in there's that circlip. So I'm going to release the circlip, and that will allow the sliding tube, which looks really loose, to come off. So in we go. Right. Let's just, oh, alright, circlip's off. Then we've got the tube. Now, I wonder if I can see any big differences, because this may or may not fix the problem. We shall see. Right. And then after that, there's the ball bearing. So you slide that down, out falls the ball bearing. Off comes the retainer, and there's the spring, which is also taken the felt seal with it. So first time I took it off, because I've had this off before, I'm not entirely sure which way the spring goes. But from this here, that looks to be the only, no, it's not damaged. yeah, I can't actually see any physical obvious differences in these parts. So I'm not too sure. I mean, that goes in. That goes in well. So I guess we'll just start again. So it's new felt seal. And what I'll do is I'll dry fit this, and then I'll put some grease in afterwards if it works. There's no point me greasing it up for it not to work. I've got to try and keep all these parts separate. So there, we've got there. What makes it better? Yeah, it's got to be that way. It's got to be that, isn't it? Yeah, let's give that a go. Right. Now that's on, let's get a new ball bearing in. So again, we slide this down. And we stick a new ball bearing in. Now, to be fair, that feels like the ball bearing is set in place a bit better than the other one, but we shall see. So after that, we get a new sliding tube on. A new circlip. And then, last but not least, a new dust cap. A new dust cap, which is there. Right, that feels a bit better. Let's see if it locks in. Look at that. We have fixed it. Pull it back, out it comes. Here we go. Perfect.